Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to the new tutorial from the SketchUp Artist Studio. Today I'm going to show you how you can create some artistic render in Enscape. Let's get to work. I'm going to start my job with the view management. So I'm going to click on the F on my keyboard and I'm going to click on the S1 in here. This is my favorite camera. So I'm going to click on it, and as you can see, the time of the day completely changed to the time that I set for this camera. So I'm going to start my job with the save frame. So I'm going to click on the save frame in here, and I want to change my perspective to the 2-point perspective. Alright, now I want to open the visual setting in here, and I want to start my job with the field of view and convert this number to the 40-degree horizontal, and this is my favorite shot in this place. Alright, about the depth of field, I'm going to turn it on and use the focal point on the LA club in here, and I think some number related to the 90.80 is the best number for it. So I'm going to type 9080 in here and decrease the depth of field to the 6%. Alright, I'm going to click on the image bar and turn on the auto contrast and increase the saturation a little bit, about 108%. Color temperature is some number related to the 5400 candela, and motion blur is 0. Lens flare is some number about 34, and the bloom option is some number about 10%. I don't need vignette and chromatic aberration, so I'm going to turn it to the 0, and in atmosphere I'm going to turn off the fog option in here. Alright, some brightness related to the 40%, and I don't need any type of shadow sharpness, so I'm going to turn it to the 0. Artificial light brightness related to these spotlights in here. When I increase it, as you can see, the power of these spotlights will increase and it makes your render much better. Alright, ambient brightness is not useful in here, and the skybox is the most important part of this tutorial. So I'm going to turn off the Cyrus amount and variety, and I want to change the density from 50 to 26%. Alright, I'm going to increase the count rails, some number like that, and change the longitude or latitude for some clouds in my sky. Alright, some number about 6,900 meter is good. And the latitude is something like this, for example. Alright, I'm gonna add it, and everything is done for me right now, and I think everything is good. Only in the image bar I'm gonna increase the saturation a little bit, about 116%, and I think I can increase the exposure a little bit, something like that, about 53%. Alright, I'm gonna increase the rendering quality to the ultra mode, and as you can see now we have better GI calculation and light calculation. Alright, everything is done for me. I check it for the last time. Everything is good, and time for the rendering. Alright, I'm gonna click on the screenshot button in here and save it on my desktop. So I'm gonna press save, and it takes a little bit time. As you can see, we create these type of renders very fast, simple and easy in Enscape, only with some simple workflow on it. Alright, 50%, 53, 60, 66, and I think now it's done for me. I'm going to click on the desktop, open first render in here, and second render in here. As you can see, this is the high quality render that we have in here with all reflections and objects. So thanks for your watching. If you like this video, please subscribe this video and our YouTube channel. And this is the 3D environment that we have in here. Good luck and goodbye.